So today I'm about to show you how to retry a generation in Flowith.io step by step. If your output didn't come out right or you want a different result, this will help you regenerate it quickly. Let's get started. First, open Flowith.io and go to your project. Once inside, locate the node or message where the generation happened. Click on that node to open the generated output. Now, look for the rerun button, usually near the output or options menu. Click rerun, and Flowith will generate a new result using the same input. Optional, if you want a better result, edit your prompt slightly before retrying, adjust instructions or details, then click rerun again. For better outputs, don't spam rerun, adjust your prompt instead, be more specific with instructions, and use rerun to explore variations. And that's it. That's how to retry a generation in Flowith.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.